Welcome back to Dog and Partridge, a place of having fine craft ales. If you hadn't heard before, he's not very impressed by the BBC price hike, and he certainly won't be by one of our new cyber trucks. It's the world famous Alan Partridge.
Hey, how's it going?
Yes, lovely enough. Thank you.
Oh, all right. It's them cyber trucks. Weird things, aren't they?
I know. Hey, it's the future apparently.
It's not. How much are they?
I'd hate to think.
More than weird. That's for sure. I should imagine.
More than millions in
There you
LA.
go. Right, well, what do you know, bro? You all right?
Yes,
Ready for some beer tasting?
of course, this is what we're here for. And we have had a little bit of a disaster in the Dog and Partridge. We was going to do Muntons Lager, the new one, their taproom series, their Munich Lager, Vienna Lager.
Yeah.
Sorry. Now, I did Google, email them, because Muntons sent me those kits directly with the spray malt and everything. And I did email them to find out what yeast they use in the...
Okay.
and they'd used normal lager yeast.
Right.
The only problem with that is it doesn't need to be a very high temperature. I think it was 30 degrees outside at the time.
Okay.
So, it didn't come out very well.
It didn't come out well.
No. So we decided not to do it.
That's fair. If there's so much with a brew, then there's no point in us testing it, really, is there? Because that's a problem our end, isn't it?
It's a
Rather
problem
than
our end, or the weather,
Yeah.
or just a failing to
Yeah.
realise it was lager yeast.
Yeah.
Also, I was going to do Malt Miller's true to style best bitter, and it didn't taste right either.
No.
So we're not going to do that,
No.
in all fairness.
No.
And then I swapped beers. And
Another disaster, wasn't there, bro?
there was another disaster. I
Another
swapped
disaster.
beers, and I know a lot of swapping about and all this bit. Didn't realise one of my kegs disconnect wasn't connected properly to the keg, and lost the keg beer all over the floor.
Beer everywhere.
Milk chocolate, chocolate orange stout as well.
Chocolate, I like chocolate orange, you know.
Good.
Good. Well, never mind, because we've got backup beers.
Good job. We've got backup beers at Dog and Partridge.
Right then, bro.
So we're going to start with actually one we was advertising to do. That's the Muntons Wit Beer, bro. Not that.
Oh,
one.
no, we're going to start with that one. We're going to start with the wheat beer, are we?
We're going to do the Wit Beer because it is a one tin kit.
So this is one tin quit. This is Squeeze the Day. There's a little picture of it there on there. I don't know if you can see that on the old camera. There we go. It's a one tin kit from Muntons Taproom Series. Squeeze the Day. Belgian citrus wheat beer. It's £17.16. That's cheap.
Yeah, I mean, that's from one of the suppliers. You do need something to go with it. You will need spray malt. Muntons sent me the spray malt, which is done exactly as they sent it to me.
Right, this is dating back to the 14th century. Wit is a style of beer that originates in Belgium. You'd be forgiven thinking that this is a beer that gets its name from the inclusion of wheat, but it's not. It's just because it's a white beer, basically. Classic style, complex, floral hints, orange and coriander. Blah, blah, blah. Let's see what it tastes like, right?
Let's see if we can taste any orange and coriander in there, or smell some orange and
This is a
coriander.
wheat beer then, is it?
This is a wit beer, yeah, because it's so white.
Wow, it is a very white beer.
It is a very white beer, isn't it? I think it's more plain white than lager, if I'm honest.
It's got that definite lager ping to it, hasn't it?
It has, even though it's not really supposed to be a lager, it's supposed to be a wit beer.
No, but you know what I mean. I think anything that's not beer is a lager.
It does smell very lager-esque, I must admit. Can't really smell a lot of orange
No, I'm not getting a lot of...
or citra.
Well, a bit citrusy maybe. I'll go in. I'm getting a bit of orange now.
Yeah, there's a little bit of orange in the background. You almost have to think about it.
I don't know if that's a good thing.
No, I don't know if it's a good thing.
It's quite tangy, isn't it?
It is quite tangy, like orange tangy.
Is that
isn't
right?
it?
It's not one because we've had one before. It's bordering on being a bit marmalade-y.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Probably not our favourite style of beer, so we'd have to judge on what it should be
but
like.
not greatly balanced either.
No, I would have said not.
I
no.
don't mind it. I quite like citrus taste and stone fruits in my beer, but that's just a bit...
Sharp in places.
Yeah, it makes it give you a bit of a twitch when you drink that. Yeah.
Can I tell it's a kit?
Yes.
Yes. It's a bit watery. It's a bit... Yeah, I am drinking homebrew.
Maybe they've tried to, because it's a one tin kit and it is obviously what it is, punch the flavour up a little bit too much with that citrus and what have you, and that's all I can taste actually.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not getting any beer.
No. Don't know if it's too cold. Because wheat beer should be cold, I suppose.
Yeah.
Again, I'm not...
What do you reckon out of 10, bro?
Probably a 7.5.
I think he's being kind sometimes, my bro, because well, no, actually, it's all right. It's drinkable, but it's certainly not our style of beer. Or
Certainly not
my style of beer.
No, not our
I'll
style.
go as high as a 7, and I think I'm being kind.
Okay.
I think, to be honest, there you go.
Whether I drink any more of that, whether there's other things on my bar.
I think. I don't want to give things away, but I think we've got 4 beers on tonight as well. So there are other things on the bar. Where are we going next, bro?
We've got a Brewday now, bro. We're going to go to that.
This is the same Borrower Hazy Pale.
We've done these in strength this time.
Yeah.
Because this is a 4.7.
Well, the wit beer, although it might not be, it is a 5%. It says on the tin.
Yeah, sorry.
But
yeah, you have to brew 35 pints, so you have to brew it slightly short, and you do have to add an additive to get it to that strength. Yeah. If you do 23 litres like you'd probably normally do without thinking about it,
it's probably going to be about 4.5, isn't it, maybe? Yeah. So this is the same Borrower Hazy Pale. This comes in at 4.7. It's also £41. So I'm guessing it's an all grain kit.
Yes, it is indeed, sir.
Lovely jubbly. A hoppy hazy bomb. Punches beyond its 4.7 ABV. A protein heavy malt bill and innovative hop selection combined to create highly crushable brew. There you go.
There you go. Just said something about the yeast.
It says saturated yeast brings more tropical esters. What, Easters?
Tropical esters?
I don't know many tropical Easters. Or esters.
So it's hazy.
So it's hazy. Just what it says on the tin. It's hazy.
Daisy.
Oh,
it's a nice tropical.
Oh, now we're talking. You can smell the stone fruit flavour, everything coming through there, can't you?
This promises great things. As the smell goes, it's probably a 10 already.
Yeah, that's a cracking smell. Right, I'm going in.
Go in.
The smell promises a little bit too much, I think.
The smell promises a lot. For me, even though this was in one of the up idle runners up, for me the hops are not just balanced right.
There's a strange balance to that. I can't think what it is. It's
where it's the yeast you use and give it this, it says strong tropical taste, but I don't think it works for me.
Some of this is out of whack.
Yeah.
Everything that's right. I'm getting a little bit too much. I don't know if it's the stone fruitness to it.
Yes, it's almost over bitter.
Yes, it's very, very bitter.
Without actually being dry. So what you really want is a perfect balance of dryness to leave your mouth and your tongue gasping for that more. But this is like,
yeah, a little bit. It's a bit, yeah.
And it, no,
it's not rocking the boat a great deal. That one, I'm afraid. I think it's better than the last bit.
Yes,
because it's full grain. It smells better.
Got a lot more body to
Promises, and it's certainly not a watery mouthfeel.
No. Shame that.
It's just a bit unbalanced, in my opinion.
Yeah, same.
What do you reckon out of 10?
I'm going to be kind at 8.2.
I'm going to go in at 8.15. Anyway,
we're going to move to the next strongest one now.
I think then this is Mungrove Jacks. Mangrove. Who's Mungrove?
Who's Mungrove?
I have no idea.
Mungrove and Jerry.
There's something out in one of these beers, obviously. Black Forest Stout, limited edition. Yes. A full-bodied stout with distinctive black cherry zing. Now, I do like black cherry, so I'm open to like this. Made with dark chocolate, roasted malt, a sort of hop bitterness, poured black with a tan head.
There you go.
Black with a tan head. 5.5%. Bitterness is 3.5. Colour black. There you go.
Again, this is one of those pouch kits.
Oh, this is a pouch one, isn't it? Yeah.
So you do get like just a pouch, and then you open it up, and then you get a compartment with hops in it and your instructions in it. You will have to add about, I think it says 1.4 to 1.8 kilograms of extra malt extract.
Oh, right, okay.
To get to that strength.
To get to that strength?
Yeah.
And did you do that?
I probably only added about 1.2, if I'm honest. So it's probably only about a 5.
Okay. Rightio. So let's have a good old whiff of that then.
I'm not getting another black cherry and chocolate coming through.
I am, but they're not smacking you in the face like I was expecting.
As with most mangrove jackets, I'm getting a lot of maltiness.
I'm not going to disagree with you. I've got a slight whiff of cherry in there. I've got a slight roasted, toasted, but it's more overwhelmingly.
The more you swirl it round, the better it becomes.
You get a bit that cherry starts to come through, which keeps swirling it a little bit.
A little bit.
Right,
a little bit.
Here we go again. 2, 3.
Disappointed.
Oh dear. I was expecting a rich, roasted beer with a little bit of a cherry into it. I've got I hate to say it, but I'm not doing a mediocre beer with a bit of a cherry into it.
Can you taste the cherry?
I think I can.
I'm trying to warm it up a little bit because it's cold, but stouts are meant to be cold, but I can't.
Yeah, but this isn't as cold as the lager was going to be.
Yeah, no. Now that the flavours go back in my tongue, yes, I can just taste the cherry.
I'm getting the cherry quite.
I'm not getting a lot of chocolate.
No.
I'm getting a lot of maltiness, like I'm drinking a bag of malt extract, with a little bit of cherry in the background. Not a lot of stoutness.
I think I'm getting no stoutness. My tongue's probably a little bit different to yours. I'm getting more cherry than anything else. I'm not getting any roastedness.
I did on that mouthful.
Yeah, I'm not getting any roastedness, I'm not getting any chocolate, I'm not getting any richness. I'm only getting a beer that's got a bit of cherry in it.
The more you swallow it round your mouth, the more it over your tongue, the more of those little flavours you do get, but they are very few and far between.
Few and far between.
You just have to push it round your mouth and gargle it to get those flavours.
And the more you do that, the more that cherry comes through.
Yeah, it does actually, yeah. But not very impressed.
I'm not overly impressed.
I'm less impressed than I am with the Muntons kit, yes.
Yes.
So it's got to be a lower score than 7.5. 6.9.
It's not going well in the D&P tonight, is it?
We've had a bit of a disastrous week here in the D&P. We've had beer leakage, we've had beer
I've had
leakage.
phone calls with stress and all sorts.
Life and the life of a brewer, and it's just not happening. It's like,
Right then. Fourth beer.
Please save me, Brewday, please.
Brewday. Come on, Brewday. Infra-red, red IPA 6% ABV. Showcasing a new spectrum hop products, this beer... I've had too many beers. I'll start again.
Mouthfuls.
Showcasing a new spectrum hop products, this beer packs in flavour. It's not very good English on there, lads. Get that sorted. Right then. Have we got any sort of tasting notes on
No, I don't think there is with that.
It's a bit about the brewing, there's a bit about the ingredients.
Yeah. It's this new spectrum. Really, what you're really trying to do is showcase this new spectrum hop. It's really not hop. It is actually a hop liquid. So they send you 2 little pouches, if you like, of this spectrum, and you put it in the brew, and it's supposed to be as good.
It says here about Eclipse and Citra on hop duty provide plenty of fruity notes, and the use of Red X gives this rich red hue. The addition of a shit malt, CHIT, before anybody says anything, gives a body and head retention. Right?
Right.
Okay. Right then. So there's a bit of blurb. Let's have a go at the red. Well, it is actually it's red.
Red. Oh. I'm getting like a strange nose to that one. I'm getting a bit of a citron mixed in with like...
It's not an unpleasant nose though.
It's not unpleasant. It's a strange... I can't put my finger on it. Biscuity nose? Biscuity and
slightly,
citrusy at the same time.
At the same time. Okay. Should we go in?
Shall we go in?
Cheers.
That's better.
That's better. You can taste the strength in that, I think, a little bit.
You can, can't you? You can feel that warm in the cockles. You've got a nice, well-balanced citrusy feel mixed in with the malt and the caramel, and combined together comes
That's
out really well.
quite a nice beer, that one, bro.
And an unusual beer as well at the same point in time, because you don't often get those combination of flavours together.
I'm getting a little bit of, like you say, the fruitiness, a bit of biscuitiness, but then you get the dryness and even a little bit of sourness in there, sort of thing.
Yeah.
That's a nice beer.
Good.
Nothing wrong with that. Thank God for that.
Thank God for that.
How many out of 10?
I don't think it's a...
Oh, I don't think it's a 10. I don't think it's up there.
No.
But it's a good beer.
It's a good beer.
I'm going to go 9. No, even 9.5.
You're 9.5.
Yeah, it just
doesn't
could
quite...
do that a little bit more. I don't know what more.
No. Probably not our favourite kind of starter beer.
No, I'm not the biggest fan of red beer sometimes, but this time of year, we was hoping for a nice stout there, but that didn't happen, did it?
Chocolate orange stout would be nice.
Chocolate orange stout would have been nice, but that's in the bottom of the shed.
Short licking the floor is not like I could do, really.
Right, I'm off to see it. Right then, bro, so I'd tell them lovely viewers that's put up with us waffling on and what's coming next.
We don't know, though, if next will be before Christmas or after Christmas.
Ah, right, yeah, yes, depends.
Depends.
Because if we go out drinking beer, we're not drinking beer here.
Yeah.
Anyway, Brewday Chameleon. 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 His English is atrocious.
Don't know, I asked Alexa how to spell chameleon, and that's what she said.
Yeah, right, better than that. Muntons Raspberry Sour. Oh, no. My brother knows how I feel about sours.
You like a sour?
I can't stand
When we was out at the beer festival, you went and bought a raspberry sour. You said, "Oh, that sounds up my street. I'm going to buy a cherry one."
And then what did my face do?
Turned inside out.
Exactly. Worcestershire Hop Shop Black Heart Stout.
Yeah.
Oh,
One of my favourite stouts at the minute actually is a...
I've got a few of those in the fridge at home, to be honest.
Good dog, isn't it?
Yes.
Good dog, Black Heart Stout.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, that'll be a clone of that then. That'll be good. I look forward to doing that one then.
So, we're going to say Merry Christmas to all our viewers at the moment.
Just in case.
Just in case we don't see you before Christmas. And honestly, at some point, early part of next year, we were doing the Dog and Partridge Golden Awards.
Oh, yes, we've got one
And
to
we'll
do.
be choosing our favourite beers throughout the year, our past year of 2023.
Oh my God, that could take some doing.
Some work on. I haven't got a lot of work on, so I'll have to get out to my time and just sit there.
Just sit there, yeah. All right, is that it then, bro?
That's about it, mate. So I think it's goodbye from you.
That's goodbye from him. If we don't see you before Christmas, have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Stay safe, everybody.
Yep. And huzzah!
Huzzah!
And to the king!
To the king.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.